video. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up recurring payments on Trading 212 so you can automatically invest without having to deposit manually each time. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, open your Trading 212 account on the mobile or web app and go to the deposit window. Choose your preferred payment method, usually a debit or credit card works best. Then, look for the recurring option and enable it. This allows you to schedule regular deposits to your stock and shares ISA, Invest, or CFD accounts automatically. Keep in mind that the first recurring deposit will be charged immediately, and subsequent deposits will follow the schedule you set. This is a really convenient way to consistently invest without needing to remember to log in every week or month. And that's it. Now you can set up recurring payments and automate your investing on Trading 212. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want more Trading 212 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.